Rush Farm, so heading to take a look at a new development in the 3 miles area. So I'm showing you guys a little bit of the journey. It's on 221 Marcus Garvey Drive. We just entered Spanish Town Road. Ray Never was in front of us. To the left is a new Fesco. Recently posted that video. A new Fesco is here on Spanish Town Road. I'll put the link for that video as well. I'll put the link for that video in the comments, so stay tuned for that. So we're heading to a new development. Stay tuned. Alright, new Fesco. The gas station is open, but the shops are still under construction. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it in the comments. Popeyes is coming here as the fast food. Alright, so we're heading to the new development, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna drive through Chesterfield Road. We'll take the right at the stoplight at Seaview intersection with Spanish Town Road. Alright, so basically driving through the Seaview. The road is horrible, and sometimes they dig out or square up the existing pothole, kind of shape them up so that asphalt can go in the a uniform way. But sometimes after they shape up the potholes and make them even bigger, they take so long to come back on asphalt, and then the rain make it worse. You have to drive through them. It's crazy sometimes. So this road kind of bypasses the 3 mile intersection, so it helps with traffic flow, especially if you're coming from downtown direction and drive here, kind of cut out some of the traffic. So yeah. Alright, so new development coming up anytime now. Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, here with another new development. It's a commercial development right here in Kingston, Jamaica. We're basically in the 3 mile area. We're on Marcus Garvey Drive, looking at a new commercial development. So being developed is a commercial property. It's being advertised for logistic purposes because it's close to the wharf, close to the port, close to Tinsapen Airport. So warehouse space is available. It's on over 4 acres of land. They're developing 21 units for warehouse purposes. So that's basically what they're doing. It's been developed by Proven REIT, that's Proven Real Estate firm. They have been pouring a lot in real estate over the years, and this is another project from them. So they're spending over 13 million US dollars to get this property up and running. So yeah, so that's what we're going to take a look on today. This was an empty space. I think a building was on this property, but it was unoccupied for years. So very good use of the land, very good use of the space, good location, lots of access as well. Most areas out here is already used for warehouse and manufacturing, so I think location is also ideal. So yeah, we can't send up the drone though. So unfortunately, you guys won't get any drone shots because we're too close to the airport to send up the drone. But I'll try to capture as much as I can for you guys. The building is in the early stages, probably there now at 3, 4 months, 5 months in construction. Construction is being done by a Chinese firm. They're doing most of the construction. So yeah, that's basically what we're taking a look on today. So definitely stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to comment, share, leave your comments as well. Subscribe. Subscribing is free and it's the easiest way to support the channel. So let me not do too much talking. I'm just gonna show you some clips of the area, show you around the area, and let you guys see what's going on. So thanks for clicking. Stay tuned. There's also some pictures online and a official article, so I'll try to put those in the links. I'll pin those in the comments in the comment section. So I'll put the link for pictures and for the article on this project, so you guys can see pictures of the finished project and what the project will look like. So definitely stay tuned for that as well. Alright guys, so remember to like, comment, share. Wish I had some drone shots to give you guys, but unfortunately we're too close to the airport. You know, some drone shots that have been good to see an aerial view of this development and of the area. But we gotta work with what we have. So construction is ongoing. Warehouse space, 21 units, 221 Marcus Garvey Drive. Millions of US dollars being spent.